Hello again. This time we'll go over the steps to download and install .NET SDK on Windows. This is because we need that for create, build and run C# applications. Okay, let's open the command prompt and checking is .NET SDK already installed on our Windows or not. So we go for .NET --version. As you see, our Windows doesn't recognize the .NET command. Alright, we need to install .NET SDK. So, open the browser and go for google.com and search for download .NET and click on this one. That takes us to the .NET download page. In this page, we click at this link to see all download options. Here, we got two download options, .NET SDK and .NET Runtime. When you wanna create, build and run C# applications, you need to download .NET SDK. But for just run C# applications, you need to download .NET Runtime. So, obviously, we go for downloading .NET SDK, which it has .NET Runtime too. Also, we've got different options for Windows, Linux and macOS. Okay, we're gonna select Windows 64-bit based on our operating system. And that's gonna download the .NET SDK installer. So, wait for the download to complete. Now, run the installer. It's simple, just click on the install. Alright, that's it. Click on close and open the command prompt again. Now run the .NET --version to see the version of the .NET SDK. If you see it, that means .NET SDK is successfully installed. Okay, done. We'll see you in the next lecture to prepare VS Code for C# applications.